we celebrate Lord Krishna's birthday. And do you know, he loved to play flute, that is Basuri. Yes, he used to sing this flute and everyone used to love it. And let me tell you today something about Janmashtami. So children, Janmashtami is a Hindu festival and children love it. They wear traditional dresses. Yes, some boys dressed as Krishna and some girls dressed as Radha. And this day is celebrated with joy and happiness. And do you know, children, that as we have a favorite food, even Lord Krishna's favorite food was fresh homemade butter, that is makhan. Yes, the mama used to prepare makhan in this matki, and he used to eat this makhan from this matki. So this matki was tied at high string. It was tied high, and he used to climb and eat the makhan, or you can say butter. Yes, and children, do you know one event also we celebrate? That is, we celebrate Dahi Handi. In Dahi Handi, human people make human pyramid, and in this matki, it is filled with milk, curd or butter, and it is tied at the highest string, and the people who climbs up will break the matki, and in this way it is performed, and it is a lot of excitement. Everyone is excited to see this event. And do you know, children, how do we get butter? Yes, we get butter from milk. Yes, we get butter from milk. You should drink milk daily in your day-to-day life. Early in the morning, you should have a glass of milk, because if you drink milk, it gives you energy and your bones remain strong. Yes, it gives you energy because milk has calcium, protein, minerals, and it makes your teeth and bones strong. So you should drink milk every day, children. And you know, we have milk and milk products. Like, let me show you. Can you see this? Milk is used for making sweets. Yummy, yummy sweets. Yes. And we can also have yummy, yummy milkshake. And from milk, we can have yummy lassi and faluda. And we love eating ice cream. That is also made from milk. And let me show you something else also, children. This is butter. Yes, Lord Krishna loves to eat butter, that is makhan. So this is also made from milk. And we also get ghee from milk. And I'm sure, children, everyone loves to eat curd and yogurt. This is also made from milk. And this is paneer. Yes, we call it cottage cheese. This is also made out of milk, and it has a lot of calcium. So you should eat this paneer every day. And this is buttermilk. Yes, this buttermilk is also made from milk. And the next one is cheese. Yummy cheese. I'm sure, children, everybody loves this cheese. This is made from milk. Yes, children, today teacher is going to make something exciting. Yes, teacher is going to make yummy pedas out of milk. And I'm sure you all want to know how teacher is going to make. So children, once I do it, you can also try at home. So let's get started. Surprise, surprise! Look, Ammi teacher has come. Hello. And she is going to make for us yummy peda. milk powder, sugar, and you have to grind it in a mixer and make it a fine powder, and some sprinklers to decorate. Okay children, let me tell you again.
2 packets of Marie biscuits.
You have to grind it in a mixer and make it a fine powder. Then Oreo biscuits 2 packets, and you have to mix it in a grinder and make it as a fine powder. And then some milk and some milk powder, and you have to make sugar powder by putting it in a mixer and making it a fine powder, and some sprinklers to decorate the pedas. Now let's get started. So say hello to Ammi teacher.
Hello everyone.
Okay, now Ammi miss is going to start the making yummy peda. So now let's get started. So first, Ammi miss is going to put this Marie biscuit powder in one bowl. She's going to put the whole 2 packets which she has crushed into powder, and she's going to put in a bowl. And then in this bowl, she is going to put 1 spoon milk powder and 2 spoon sugar powder, which we have grinded into a fine powder. Yes, and now she is going to add little by little milk to make a dough. See, she is adding little milk. So children, initially you have to put little milk, okay? See. Now she is mixing it up nicely. Can you see this children? With the help of spoon, she is mixing the dough. She is mixing sugar, milk powder, milk and Marie biscuit. All together she is trying to bind it. And now she is putting again little milk. See, like this. And now with the help of finger, you are going to mix the dough. Like this, how Ammi teacher has done. And slowly I can see the hard dough is ready children. See, can you see this? You have to mix it very nicely. See, now your atta is ready, your dough is ready. Like how you make chapati roti ka the same way. See. And now Ammi miss is going to prepare the another dough, that is of Oreo chocolate. Yes. Now we are going to put this Oreo biscuit full 2 packets which we have grinded into fine powder. And now as it has already sugar in it, so we are not going to add sugar, we are just going to add milk little by little. See, like this. You have to mix milk slowly. And now slowly, we are also going to make this dough little hard. See, like this. In this we require less milk because already cream is there in this biscuit. Okay. And now our dough is ready. See. And now we are going to put it on the plate. Like this. And we are going to roll it. We are again kneading the dough so that it becomes soft. And now see, we are rolling it on the plate. Like this. pieces, we cut it into small pieces through butter knife. By butter knife. See, like this. We cut it into small pieces. Can you see this, children? And now we are going to take each piece and roll it nicely, small pieces into a circle shape. Can you see? Miss has taken a small portion, that cut one, and she has made into a small circle shape like this. So children, you have to take each piece and roll it very nicely till it makes soft circle shape. And now we are going to roll this biscuit peda, Marie biscuit which we have made into fine powder. This we are going to roll it. We will roll it very nicely, gently. And now we are going to cut it with the help of nice butter into small pieces like this. After cutting into small pieces, you have to take each piece into your hand and roll it very nicely, gently, and make a circle shaped dough like this. Small circle shaped dough. You have to take each piece in your hand and with the help of palm, press it gently and make a small circle shaped dough. Now we are going to take 3 Marie balls and 3 Oreo balls, and then we are going to put it like this. In between 2 Marie balls, we are going to put 1 Oreo balls, and we are going to make a circle shape like this. And now with the help of finger, we are going to press it very gently so that you get a shape of peda. See how Miss has done? You have to press it very gently. And now your yummy peda is ready. And you have to press it with the help of your palm. And you have to take the sprinkler and put it on the top of peda. Like this. Now teacher is going to show you one more time. Take 3 Marie balls and 3 Oreo balls and place it like this. And now gently you have to press it with the help of finger and make a shape of peda like this. And now you have to press it gently with your palm and then put sprinkler on top of your peda. Now one more time, we are going to take Marie balls, Oreo balls, and then gently with the help of finger, we are going to mix it and make a peda shape. And then we have to press it gently with the help of palm and then put a sprinkler on the top of the peda. Now our pedas are ready to eat. Now let's put this peda on plate. Now we are going to serve this on the plate one by one. So now these delicious yummy pedas are ready to eat. And now I want you all to try this at home. Yes, you are going to make this peda and you have to tell your mommy and daddy to click the picture and send it to me. So you can make this peda and even by eating with your parents, tell your mommy to click the picture and send it to me. We are waiting for your pictures. For now, happy Janmashtami. Bye-bye.